In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix a vertical narrow video that is not straight. I'm going to be doing this using Shotcut. Shotcut is a free video editing program. Okay, so go to Open File, select the video you want to edit. So I'm going to select this video right here. Now drag the video into the timeline. Make sure the outline is red so the video is selected. Go to Settings, Video Mode. Now choose HD 1080p. I'm going to choose the same FPS as the original video that I'm editing now. So I'm going to choose HD 1080p 30 FPS. Now to find out what the FPS of the video that you're editing is, go to the video, right click, go to Show More Options, Properties, and go to Details. Now, as you can see right here, it's around 30. So I'm going to choose 30. Now select the video, just click on it, go to Filters, type in Rotate, go to Size, Position, and Rotate. Okay, so now I'm going to rotate the video. So go right here, click and hold down the right click on the mouse and drag it. Now the next thing you need to do is scroll down and click and hold down the right click of the mouse and drag it to the right to fill up the black borders around the video. Don't make it too wide because it's going to be out of view. Okay, now to save the video, go to File, Export, Video. I'm going to call this video 2, so I'll type 2, go to Save. It's going to start saving the video. So it is saving the video now, and when it shows 100%, the video will be saved. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.